Model, 2013 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI-100 PS 300 short wheelbase, low roof front wheel drive twin side loading door. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 140794. MOT, the 21st of April 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. This will need the engine repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.